And then the next thing, man, you, the man come back with black hair, brother.
We are no man, you come like say you want to jump on my thing, so bro.
True. Alright, so yeah, him shaky.
Me tell you this already several times. I'm going to take off my glass for you understand. When you see me here, then when me I tell you this.
Please don't come tell, yo. That's why I say it, you know, because man,
what's this now?
Bad when me say nothing about the Gaza.
You see,
Gaza
when
nation,
Vice
you know?
Cartel jump out of prison, you remember the song where Cartel say, fresh from prison, a brand new king has risen.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Enough people don't want to give money in props, dog. You have to understand, say, Cartel a set trend. He's a trend setter. You see me? Bro, a years me not see Alkaline do a interview.
Over 9 years.
All right, years.
9 years.
So why now as Vice Cartel out and hopping and skipping? This man crawl out and hole. Why now him a crawl out and hole? And watch you know, you crawl out and hole, but you're not even crawl out and hole with no confidence. And you come back with the same style where they have 2014 or 2013. Yo, you see if him did link, if Alkaline did link me and say, yo, you know me I go do an interview and me I go wear me black hair, them would have say, no bro, we are red.
Because something different.
No something different.
Something different, bro. We are some